Alright, 8th grade algebra. Hope everyone's having a good Tuesday. So we're going to start off with the first vocabulary question here. It says the linear equation 3x minus 2 equals y in standard form and explain. Alright, so I'll give you 30 seconds to turn to your elbow partner and try to figure out if this equation is in standard form. Ready, go. Alright, we'll bring it back. Alright, so what we should have said is, yes, this is in standard form. So the form of a linear equation, standard form is ax plus by equals c. So it's a little different slope-intercept form, which is the y equals mx plus b. So for linear equations, these are two of the main equations you'll see. So let's look at the set of problems for 2 through 4. So once again, this is asking us to identify whether each graph is a function or not. And if it does represent a function, if the graph does represent a function, is the function linear? It's an important question as well. Okay, so let's look at this first one. So obviously we can do the vertical line test, go over, and if there are not 2 points on one vertical line, then it is a function. So this one would indeed be a function. Okay, so really quick, I'm just gonna go run through 2 more different types of problems you're gonna see on this type of practice. So the next ones is when you have to figure out if these ordered pairs are a linear function as well. Remember, the definition of a function is that each x is paired with one and only one y. So we can look at this table for number 5, see if each x is paired with one and only one y. As we see, it is indeed, so that would be a function. And let's look at number 9. So number 9, it's asking whether each function is linear, and if so, graph the function. So this first one, we can tell it is linear because it does not have any exponents. It's not squared like a quadratic. But one thing we need to do is to put this into slope-intercept form, and that is a very easy process to do. First thing is you just need to get y all by itself. So we can subtract 2x from this side, and then move it to the other side. Just remember, we want this y all by itself. And try to figure out if these are like terms or not. Take a couple seconds, think about it. They're not like terms, so we cannot subtract them from each other. So I'm just going to move this over here. So we have 3y equals negative 2x plus 5. And you can put these in any order. So we put the x first just so it's closer to slope-intercept form up there. So the last step you need to do is divide this 3. Divide it from each side. So, sorry, I'm keep on going over here. So our final answer would be y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 5 over 3. So that is how you move it to your slope-intercept form. Obviously, if it does not have an exponent, it would be linear then. All right, so at this point, you can start working with your partner. Try to complete the page by telling if these are functions or not. And then for 13, 14, you can graph them and try to figure out what the domain and what the range is. All right, good luck to the rest of the day, and hopefully everyone has a fantastic day.